What is up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with y'all my experience of going to the Bside Studio social workshop. When I first walked in, I noticed that there was a rack. The name of the store is called Brody's Vintage. He provided all kind of vintage pieces from his store that he runs. Now, to stop myself from going too crazy on the vintage side, because I know how I can get, I limited myself to literally like one thing. So I was like, I know I want to support, but I don't want to go too crazy, so I'm gonna get one thing. And I ended up coming across this Jabot shirt. Like, how long has it been since you've seen a Jabot shirt? Like, really. And I almost started to get it, but I was like, you know what, let me keep searching, because they had so many different good pieces, and I'm like, I just want to pick the right piece. So eventually I ended up running across this vintage Reebok shirt. It was like this Reebok tank top, and I was like, you know what, this is the one. I just know I don't need to look no further. Like, this is me. Here you can see me talking to Janae. She is one of the co-owners of Bside Studio, and y'all, she is extremely sweet. She told me all about their brand and why they chose to do the workshop at Shaw Art Studio, and she also helped me through the steps of the workshop.
Ryan Little.
After that, we networked, we talked, we chilled, we enjoyed the art, we was listening to the music, and that was pretty much it. Like I said, I really did enjoy this event, and I hope that I can make the next one, because this one was really fun. And I have something else exciting coming up for y'all, but I'm not gonna say it. I'm just gonna y'all just gonna have to wait for the video to drop. That is gonna conclude this video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it.